The following message has been transmitted at the request of the Monroe County Emergency Management Agency with conjunction from the Rochester Police Department. At about 9:10 p.m. tonight, reports have come in that an unknown flying object were reported to be descending just outside of the city and was traveling at alarming speeds. From eyewitness reports, these aircraft were the size of a fighter jet and is colored gray. In addition, an alarming amount of people were reported to be going missing in this region, causing widespread panic all across the region. Currently, it's still unknown how these people went missing, as there are no eyewitness reports or any other resources to find out how this may have happened. But after one person was reported to be leaving his home, he was reported to be screaming shortly after and was never heard from again. Anyone in the Rochester, New York area and nearby areas are ordered to return to their home as soon as possible. Lock doors and windows, close all fireplaces and ventilation systems. Failure to do this may result in death. Local authorities as well as the New York State Police will be looking into the situation more. Stay tuned on updated news and information on this dangerous situation.